Hello, welcome to another lesson. My name is Michael with ACE Japan in Takasaki, Guma. Okay, so today we're going to start teaching about adjectives with ish at the end. Ish, okay? Okay, let's go over some now. Reddish, reddish. Reddish means something looks red but isn't completely red. Okay, it's not really red, but it looks red. So we say reddish. Okay. Biggish. Biggish. A little big, but not very big. Okay, it's biggish. Childish. Childish. Somebody can act childish, so you're acting childish, you're being childish, or something can look childish, so that bicycle looks childish. Okay? Boyish. Boyish, okay? He has a boyish charm. He has a boyish charm. So his charm is like a boy, okay? Or he's acting boyish, okay? He's acting like a boy, okay? Noonish, noonish, around noon, 12 p.m., around noon, noonish, okay? 20ish, 20ish. We usually use this for age. How old is she? I don't know. I think she's 20ish, around 20 years old, okay? Let me show you some examples on how to use this, okay? So let's take a look real quick. Reddish, biggish, childish, boyish, noonish, and 20ish. Now I'm going to show some examples. Okay. What color is her hair? What color is her hair? Okay. I think it's reddish. I think it's reddish. You can also use two colors. You don't need I think. I was just showing that for like an opinion, okay? It's reddish is okay. It's reddish. So it's reddish. Oh, it's reddish brown. It's reddish brown. It's reddish brown. So that meaning is that it's kind of brown with a little bit of red tint to it. So it's like a brown, it's in between brown and red. It's more brown, darker brown, but with red. So we say it's reddish brown. It's reddish brown. Okay? So, okay, you try. What color is her hair? Good. Good, very good. Okay. The cheese burger is a bit biggish. The cheeseburger is a bit biggish. Okay, the cheeseburger is a bit biggish. Okay? Okay, you try. Good, good. Okay? let's do one question. Is that a new dress? Yes, it's newish. It's newish. Newish means not so old or almost new. Okay, so you try. Is that a new dress? Good. Okay. What time will you be home tonight? What time will you be home tonight? Around 9ish. What time will you be home tonight? Around 9ish. Around 9ish. Okay? Okay. So that means some time. Sometime around 9. So it's not exactly. Okay? So sometime around 9. Okay. Okay. So let's try. What time will you be home tonight? 9ish. Okay, you try. Very good. Okay. Let's do another time. I'll pick you up around noonish. I'll pick you up around noonish. Okay, around 12 o'clock. Then pick you up means by car. I will go to your house or your work or somewhere and pick you up by car around noonish. Okay? Okay, so you try. Very good. Good job. Okay? How old do you think he is? How old do you think he is? Around 50ish. Around 50ish. 50ish. Okay? So that means 40, let's say 47 to about 53, maybe. It's very, very loose how we use this, okay? So how old do you think he is? Around 50ish. Okay, you practice. Very good, very good. Don't be so childish. This is not a nice thing to say. It's not nice, so don't say this unless you're fighting with somebody. Don't be so childish. Don't be so childish. That means stop acting like a child. Stop acting like a child. So you say this to an adult who's not being so mature, okay? Stop acting or behaving like a child. Same meaning, okay? Okay, let's practice this. Don't be so childish. Good. Okay. That bicycle is a bit boyish or girlish. Okay. That bicycle is a bit boyish, or that bicycle is a bit girlish. It means looks like it's made for a boy. It looks like it's made for a girl. Okay, so you try. Good, very good. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that lesson. So ish is very casual, is very about, and I hope you learned how to use it. And if not, you can check the internet in your own language and get more information. Just type up ish and it'll come up. Also, if you liked the video, please hit like, leave a comment, share the video if you want, subscribe to our channel, and let us know how we're doing. Okay, thank you. Bye. See you next time. Bye.